Hello everyone, again heartily welcome to the YouTube channel Vedic Math. Today we learn about the multiplication by Nikhilam formula. There are various methods of multiplication in Vedic mathematics. One of them is the multiplication based on deviation from a fixed formula. Multiplication of a number smaller than base and larger than base, as well as numbers close to base, can be done easily by using this formula. Our formula is Nikhilam Nautashcharam Dashataha, means last digit from 10 and remaining 9. Here we need to understand two words: base. In this type of multiplication, we take base 10, 100, 1000, means 10 or more, or any number of 10 power of 10 is taken as base. Deviation. Deviation means the number that shows how much a number is less than or greater than the base is deviation. According to the formula, subtracting the last digit of a number less than the base from 10 and the remaining digits from 9 gives the negative deviation. For example, with numbers 14, its deviation is plus 4 because we take a base of 10, therefore the deviation is 4. This is the deviation and this is the numbers. Deviation of 8 is minus 2 because the base is 10 and 2 is less than to be a 10, therefore the deviation is minus 2. Then 96, deviation is minus 0.4. Subtraction have the number from large number gives a positive deviation and from a less number gives a negative deviation. 102 gives plus 0.2 because we take a base is 100, therefore the deviation is plus 0.2. Similarly, we take 1005, therefore we get deviation 0.005. Suppose we take a number 992, therefore the deviation we get minus 0.008. Let's do the multiplication by Nikhilam formula. Number 1 multiplication, 12 multiply 14. 12 multiply 14, numbers that are closer to the base, the more zeros in the base and the more to the right side. Both numbers base is 10, means we write 12 and 14 and also write its deviation on the right side, plus 2 and plus 4. Then we do the multiplication. In the right side, we do multiplication of both deviations. 2 4 ja 8. In the first step, deviations multiplication. 2 4 ja 8. And step 2, we do the process in the left side. One number and other numbers derivatives. One numbers and other numbers derivatives. We do cross calculation. You do any of the calculation, even this side or even this side. 12 plus 4, we do oblique and write 12 plus 4. 12 plus 4 gives 16. Means step 2 is we take one number, suppose we take a 12 and other numbers derivatives, means other number means 14. 14's derivative is plus 4. So we do addition and we get 16. So we get easily the answer. Answer is 168. We take another example. 18 multiply 16. We write down this multiplication number and also write in the right side its derivatives or its deviations. We do multiplication. First step, we do multiplication of its derivatives. 8 and 6, 8 6 are 48, and here only 8 will be on right side. Okay, 18 plus 6 or 16 plus 8 gives the same answer. 18 plus 6 is equal to 24 and 16 plus 8 is also 24. Therefore we write down the 24. Here only 8 will be on right side, while 4 is carried to the left side. 4 is carried to the left side, unit digit number, and we add these both number. So we get 4 plus 4, 8. So in a unit digit place 8, in one stands digit place 8 and 2. The answer is 288. We take another example. Example 3. Example 3, we suppose we calculate the 102 and 103. We write down the numbers and we write down its deviation from its deviation 02 and plus 03. The more numbers, then the more 0 in the base. We do multiplication. 2 3 are 6, we get 06, and we do addition because plus 03 is a derivatives. 102 plus 03 gives 105. So we get easily the answer 10506, means 10,506. This is the answer. We take another example. 103 multiply 105. 103 multiply 105. We write down. We write the deviation 03, and this is the 105 means the deviation of 05. We multiply its deviation. 5 3 are 15, and we do the cross calculation. 103 gives 108. So we got the answer 10815, means 10,815. We take one more example. 5 1008 multiply 1003. We do the same process as we done in previous multiplication. We write down the numbers and right side we write its deviation 008 and 003. Because the base is 1000, so the deviation is 003. Because there are more numbers, more zeros gives more numbers. First of all, multiply its deviation. 8 3 are 24. So we write down 24 and 10 slash 1008 plus 003. We take a Take one number and others numbers derivatives. Either we take 1008 plus 003 or we take 1003 plus 008. Both give the same answers. So 1008 plus 003 means we write down for your understanding 1011 and 024. So we got the answer 1,11,024. This is the answer. We do multiplication of such a number where their deviation is positive, and now we do the multiplication of such a number where the deviation is negative. The negative deviation. We take example 94 multiply 96. Here the base will we write down the numbers 94 multiply 96. Here the base is 100, so 2 digit will be placed in the right side. Minus 6 and minus 4, because out of 100 minus 94 gives 6 and 100 minus 96 gives 4. Same process, we multiply its deviation. 6 4s are 24 and 94 minus 4 gives 90. So we get easily the answer 9,024. Another example, 93 multiply 98. We write down the numbers 93 and 98 and its deviation 07 and 100 minus 98 gives 0. We can do calculation. 7 2 ja 14 and 93 minus 02. 93 minus 2 gives 90. Answer 9,114. Another example. Example 3. 993 multiply 997. 993 and 997 multiplication. The base is here, the base is 1000, so 3 digit will be placed in right place. 1000 minus 993 gives 7, so we write down minus 007 and here we write down minus 003 because 997 plus 3 gives 1000. 7 3 ja 21, so 021 is we write down the 021 and this side 993 minus 3 gives 990, so we get easily the answer 9,90,021. More multiplication trick, then follow my channel and do this exercise. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you again as soon as possible. Goodbye.